Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to cook moi moi. Moi moi is a very sweet delicacy that you can cook very easily. It's one of my best. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can make moi moi with moi moi powder. A lot of people find it difficult to cook moi moi because of the process is very tedious. So now you can use the moi moi powder. You don't need to go and get beans and grind. It's already grounded beans. That is the powder. So I will teach you the step by step how you can make this sweet delicacy for your family, for everybody to enjoy. If you are new to my channel, do it to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Enjoy this video, enjoy all the steps. Procedure: boil hot water and pour into the beans flour. This is the beans flour, as you can see. Already mixed beans flour. Pour hot water into it and mix it very well. Mix it very well with the hot water. Make sure that it's mixed, everything is mixed. After mixing it, this is how it looks. You pour in your oil, pour in your peanut oil, then you mix. The next thing you have to do is to pour in your palm oil. This is the palm oil we are pouring in here. Pour it in, then mix it thoroughly. Mix it very well so that it will circulate in your moi moi. Mix it very well. The next thing, you put in all your material. At this stage, you put in all your ingredients. You put in the mango, the fish, the onions, the crayfish, everything that you need that we listed in the video. After you're putting it, you mix it, then you put it inside your cellophane like this. So you put it into your cellophane. So you put it inside the cellophane like this and tie it very well so that it will not pour. Tie it very well. You can either use this type of cellophane or you use the Ziploc bag. In our introduction video, we use Ziploc bag. You can use Ziploc bag. If you are using this way, you have to double the rubber. The cellophane, 2 cellophane is okay. You double it this way. Then for the beans flour, you can get it from us or you buy around you. The next thing you have to do is to boil it in fire. You boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your moi moi is ready. So it's just very easy. Try this recipe at home. Within 15 minutes to 10 minutes time, it's ready. As you can see, your moi moi is ready. Enjoy. Our moi moi is ready. Very soft and very sweet. You can see that it's very sweet. You can try this recipe at home. The aroma is very nice. Try this recipe at home. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye till I come your way again.